Quick update on Tesla. Stock's down about 3% today, but as of right now, everything is still looking according to plan for this breakout to about $520 to $550 by the next probably 6 to 8 weeks. Now, the main reason for that is the BX trender, the monthly time frame at the bottom of your screen, is still green. Now, when this indicator is increasing or green, it means that buying pressure is coming into the stock. If you were to normally look at it on a monthly time frame, this is how it would look. However, what we are doing in this chart is overlaying this onto a monthly time frame on a daily time frame. So you're looking at the 1 month BX trender on a daily time frame. And I like the ability to do this because we're going to be able to see macro buying pressure on top of a daily chart. Now, if we take a look at what's happening right now as far as price action, you're going to see that it's still bullish. Price has been breaking out, price would pull back, price is breaking out, and this is a good sign. What we do not want to see is bearish market structure, which would occur if price was selling off, bouncing, and selling off. This type of bullish market structure is a good sign. In most cases, any time that we sell off to make a higher low, price will normally bounce into a higher high. The last thing is the volume profile on the right side of your screen is still showing a support shelf. These thick areas on the volume profile right here act as major support and resistance zones. So each and every single time that price pulls into this level, it's going to attempt a bounce. What would ultimately worry me would be if price broke $420, which did not last week, which is a very good sign, because if that happened, then this thin area on the volume profile could potentially fill, which would be a worst case scenario of $360. But as of right now, I still think that Tesla is going to bounce between $420 to $440. I still think that price is going to break out in the next 6 to 8 weeks up to $520, the best case $560, and I'll continue to update you along the way. If you want access to the monthly BX trender, you want access to the volume profile, and learn our entire trading system, the link to our free courses are down in the description. BX trender is step 1, volume profile is under step 3, and you'll get the rest of the suite of indicators over there. I will be doing a new indicator and course for this monthly overlay BX in February, so make sure you join so you can be first to get the email for that course.